there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the wisest purchasing decisions. Today, we have a drone duel between two mini aerial titans, the Holystone HS-430 and the LMRC-12. On the left, we have the Holystone HS-430, the pocket-sized powerhouse. And on the right, we have the LMRC-12, the drone that claims to be as versatile as a Swiss Army knife, but without the corkscrew. Let's see which one of these flying gadgets is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about price. The Holystone HS-430 comes in at $77, while the LMRC-12 is just a tad pricier at $79. So if you're looking to save that extra $2 for a cup of coffee, Holystone might be your jam. But hey, what's $2 when you're investing in a flying robot? Both drones boast 1080p cameras, but let's be real, who needs 1080p when you can barely get a decent selfie on your phone? The Holystone claims to capture good quality videos and photos, while the LMRC-12 has a 90 degrees adjustable angle and dual camera switching. Reviewers have noted that the HS-430's camera quality is better than expected, especially for still photos, while the LMRC-12's adjustable camera provides versatility in capturing different angles. So if you want to take a drone selfie and look like you have a double chin from 90 degrees, LMRC-12 is your guy. Now, let's talk flight time. Holystone offers nearly 30 minutes of airtime with its two modular batteries. LMRC-12, on the other hand, provides 26 minutes. Reviewers appreciate the HS-430's extended flight time, which comes in handy for more prolonged sessions. So Holystone gives you those extra 4 minutes to impress your neighbors or crash into their windows. Your choice. Both drones are compact and portable, but Holystone claims to fit in the palm of your hand when folded. Perfect for those of you who like to carry drones in your pockets like some kind of high-tech magician. LMRC-12 is also compact, and reviewers have noted that its design makes it easy to handle and transport. But let's be honest. If you're carrying a drone in your pocket, you're probably not overly concerned about fitting into skinny jeans. Holystone HS-430 is packed with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even gesture control. LMRC-12 isn't left behind with its path flight and 3-level flight speed. Reviewers of the HS-430 love the high-speed rotation and circle fly features, while LMRC-12 users appreciate the multiple speed options and path flight. But let's face it, if you're using gesture control in public, people might think you're trying to ward off invisible flies. Both drones are beginner-friendly. Holystone has headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch. LMRC-12 offers 1 key start, landing, and altitude hold. Reviewers find the HS-430 easy to set up and use, making it a great choice for beginners. So if you're a newbie who can't tell north from south, both drones have got you covered. But if you're looking for that extra hand-holding, Holystone might be your drone BFF. LMRC-12 boasts US certification and professional technical support. They even provide a step-by-step guide if you can't figure out how to take a picture or land your drone. Holystone? Well, they trust you'll figure it out, or just Google it like everyone else. Reviewers have noted that the LMRC-12's customer support is quite helpful, especially for beginners. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Holystone HS-430 for its good camera quality, extended flight time, and user-friendly features. On the flip side, the LMRC-12 is praised for its versatility, ease of use, and robust customer support, although some users have faced issues with the app and control stability. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS-430 and the LMRC-12, two mini drones with big ambitions. Whether you choose the HS-430 for its portability and extra flight time, or the LMRC-12 for its adjustable camera and tech support, you can't really go wrong. And remember, no matter which drone you choose, make sure to avoid trees, power lines, and your neighbor's cat. Until next time, keep flying and keep buying smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description. See you in the next video.